Fences do more than mark boundaries. They tell stories. From ancient stone walls to modern vinyl panels, fences have shaped how we live, work, and protect what matters. A fence is a structure built to enclose an area. It can offer privacy, security, or even just curb appeal. Unlike walls, fences are lighter and more flexible, literally and in design. The earliest fences were made of stone or wood to keep animals in or out. Fast forward to the 1800s, barbed wire changed the game, especially across the American frontier. Today, we build fences not just for function, but for beauty too. Let's break down the most common types. Wood fences, classic, customizable, but need maintenance. Vinyl fences, low maintenance, durable, great for privacy. Chain link, affordable, secure, but not the prettiest. Metal fences, strong and stylish, especially wrought iron. Composite and eco fences, made from recycled materials, perfect for green homes. A fence isn't just a barrier, it's peace of mind. It defines your space, keeps your kids and pets safe, and boosts your property value. Every city has fence regulations, height limits, materials, even color. And your design should match your home's vibe and your needs. Want privacy? Go tall and solid. Want charm? Think picket or ironwork. Maintenance matters. Wood fences need sealing. Vinyl just needs a hose down. And now, we're seeing smart fences, motion sensors, solar lighting, and even noise-reducing panels. Fences have come a long way. And whether you're building new or upgrading old, we're here to help. Visit caanfenceinc.com or call us at 781-767-3596 to get started today.